छुट्टा नहीं है मैडम, टॉफ़ी ले लो।
Since the adoption of UPI, does this even work anymore? You can pay the exact change through digital payments, thus eliminating this whole concept of toffee for chutta. While a 1 rupee candy may not seem much, but you have to see the bigger picture here. India has quickly become the country with the highest number of digital transactions. With close to 600 banks live on UPI and transactions amounting to over 20 lakh crore in just May of 2024, it really puts things into perspective. GrowthX founder Abhishek Patil noted that manufacturers like Mondelez, Mars, Nestle and Parle have all reported a steep decline in the sale of toffees post-2020. In an Economic Times report, it was pointed out that kirana stores offering candies instead of small change was a big sales route for candy companies. With UPI, all of this stopped as there was no scope for change. Ultimately, that ate up the daily toffee sales. But reports on profits suggest otherwise. For instance, Pulse Candy, which was launched around the same time as the UPI, has managed to be one of the largest hard-boiled candy brands in India. Lotte India, known for manufacturing Coffee Bite, Lotte Eclairs, Lacto King, too reported bumper sales in 2022. Now to add to this, India has about 444 million of its population under 18 who buy candies and sweets on demand rather than in return for change. Also, kirana stores note that many people in fact choose to buy candies to round off the sale amount while paying through UPI. I still think in India, candies and toffees are still very much a part of the coffee break ritual. What do you think? Has the toffee business lost its sweet spot?
Investment in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. For more information, visit kuvera.in.